Hi lovelies, welcome again to Wendy's Styles. A beautiful Saturday and a great weekend to my returning subscribers and new subscribers. Welcome again to this channel. Today I have very low cut Pixie. Is a hairstyle for everyone to try, but more especially for the women that have thin hair, or if you're suffering from alopecia, this hairstyle is for you. This hairstyle refers to a style that is short on the sides and back, and slightly longer on top. But if you notice on this video today, not all will be longer on top. It will be like a boy's cut, or it will also come like the bad, but not bad. This hairstyle is usually short, sometimes it comes with bangs, but today's one is not with bangs because it's a style I want a beautiful matured woman to try. These are surprisingly versatile and fairly low maintenance hairstyle, because they also encompass several different looks and have come a long way, like the since classic swaggy style Pixie of the 1960s. This hairstyle is modern, beautiful cuts that are lovely when styled and slicked back. But these days, if you notice, many celebrities are really proving you can also wear this trend hairstyle. If it's the first time today, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I'm sorry guys, because it's been long. I really replied your comment, but by the grace of God, I will try to reply your comments. I've been a bit busy and I'm sorry about that. Anyone can wear this Pixie cut, especially if you're looking for a timeless style that requires minimal effort for maximum chickness. So these are beautiful hairstyles that are more flattering on certain face shape, like if that's what you're really looking for, but this hairstyle is a versatile style. That's why I said it's for women with thin hair. If you notice, most of them have this thin hair, but because of the Pixie, it's as if it's looking as if it's a bad hair, but it's not bad. So a great Pixie cut is based on not just the face shape, but also the shape of the client's head. So this hairstyle is something that will really bring out the beauty you're looking for. And this is a style you really need to think. Like if you're confused on the kind of hairstyle you want to have this week, or your kind of hairstyle to work to the party, please watch this video to the end, because it will really inspire your next haircut. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for really staying logged to this channel. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
Of my melody, you are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two, you and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Always. would I gain if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I did see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Is it the car? Is it the house? I'll give them all to you. Is it the name? Is it the fame? I'm nothing without you, Lord. What would have become of me if I did see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Always, always. 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 You are all that matters. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. You are all that matters, Jesus. Only you. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Always, always. 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 What would I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I gain if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I did see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters.